Today we're making microwave matcha mochi ice cream from Japan. It makes 8 servings and takes about 2 hours 30 minutes, including chilling. Let's get started. First, let's check the ingredients. 1 pint vanilla ice cream. Scoop it into 8 small balls and freeze until firm. 3/4 cup sweet rice flour, mochiko, which is 90 grams. This makes the chewy mochi dough. 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 50 grams, to sweeten the dough. 1 teaspoon matcha powder, about 2 grams, for color and tea aroma. 3/4 cup water, 180 milliliters to hydrate the flour. 1/2 cup potato starch, 60 grams, for dusting so the mochi does not stick. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Line a small tray with parchment. Scoop 8 balls from 1 pint of vanilla ice cream and freeze them until very firm, 1 to 2 hours. In a microwave-safe bowl, whisk 3/4 cup sweet rice flour, 90 grams, with 1/4 cup sugar, 50 grams, and 1 teaspoon matcha, 2 grams. Add 3/4 cup water, 180 milliliters, and whisk until totally smooth with no lumps. Cover the bowl with microwave-safe plastic wrap, poke 2 small vents, and microwave on high for 1 minute. Uncover and stir well with a spatula. Cover again and microwave on high for another 1 minute. Stir once more until the mixture thickens. Microwave once more for 30 to 45 seconds until the mochi looks glossy, stretchy, and slightly translucent. Generously dust a large board with the full 1/2 cup of potato starch, 60 grams. Scrape the hot mochi onto it and dust the top with the rest. Let the mochi cool for 2 minutes, then pat it into a rectangle. Roll the mochi to about 1/8 inch thick, roughly 3 millimeters, keeping it evenly flat. Lift the mochi sheet onto a baking sheet, cover lightly, and chill in the refrigerator for 15 minutes to firm it up. Use a 3.5 inch, 9 centimeter round cutter to cut 8 circles. Brush off any extra starch from each one. Place 1 mochi circle on your palm, add 1 frozen ice cream ball to the center, and lift the edges up over the ice cream. Stretch gently to cover the ice cream. Pinch the seam to seal completely, and turn it seam side down. Set the mochi ice cream into a paper cupcake liner on a tray and return it to the freezer for 30 minutes. Repeat with the remaining 7 circles and ice cream balls, sealing each one and keeping finished pieces in the freezer. Before serving, rest the mochi ice cream at room temperature for 5 minutes for the best chew, then serve. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more quick Japanese desserts.